Hey there car enthusiasts! Welcome back my channel where we give you all the tips, tricks, and reviews to keep your ride running at its best. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic, car engine oil grades. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth automotive tips and reviews. And if you're already part of the family, drop a comment below to let us know your go-to engine oil. Let's get started. First things first, what are oil grades? You've probably seen those numbers on motor oil containers like 5W30 or 10W40. These grades are set by the Society of Automotive Engineers SAE in short to indicate the oil's viscosity. Oil grades are basically how thick or thin the oil is in different temperatures. The first number, like the 5W and 5W30, refers to how the oil performs in winter. That's what the W stands for. Lower numbers mean the oil flows better in cold temperatures. The second number, 30, is the oil's viscosity at higher temperatures. A higher number means the oil is thicker, offering more protection in extreme heat. So, how do you pick the right grade? Check your owner's manual first. Manufacturers recommend specific grades based on the engine design and the climate you drive in. For example, 5W30 is common for many modern vehicles, but high-performance engines might need 0W40 or 10W60. Always match the oil grade to your driving conditions and vehicle type. Using the wrong grade can lead to problems like poor fuel economy, engine wear, or even overheating. Stick to the recommended grade to ensure optimal performance and longevity. And that's a wrap on today's guide to engine oil grades. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews to keep your car in top shape. See you next time.